The people at Hornby have put together what is probably the nicest model that I have in my model train collection. Now this is quite a big model, so it's a good job it has been provided in quite decent strong packaging, instead of the really bad packaging used for the Olympic Javelin from the last review I did. Something that I really like about this packaging is the outer sleeve, which shows a really nice picture of the engine, and on the back some background information on this loco class, and also some information on this particular loco. You also get the standard Hornby maintenance sheet, some extra details, a small sheet showing how to install the rod details, and a DCC Sound manual, as this loco has DCC Sound. Once the loco is unpacked, there are a couple of things that need to be done before the loco can go on the tracks, and that is install the rod details, put the little cord into the socket in the tender, which is really fiddly, connect the loco to the tender with the metal bar, and there you have it, ready to run. And once you place the loco on the tracks, you realise that this loco looks amazing and has a heck of a lot of detail. So that's so much that instead of talking about each of the details in detail, I'll list all the details. Safety stickers, rivets, more rivets, more rivets. Okay, basically a lot of rivets, vacuum pipes, sprung buffers, a lot of metal handrails, some tiny text, pipes, quite complicated connecting rods, and I'm sure I've missed out a few, but you get the point. There's a lot of detail on this loco. In fact, the only thing that I think this loco lacks is cab detail. And now I'm moving on to the sound, and with 12 realistic sound effects, it sure does sound great. So, the loco looks great and sounds great, but will it run great? Now, this loco is about to pull a rake of Pullman coaches which aren't very free-rolling like other coaches, so it's also a little bit of a strength test.